Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Hillshire Farm sausage. First, select your favorite variety, whether it's smoked, beef, or turkey. Then, slice the sausage into half-inch thick rounds. Heat a large skillet over medium heat with about 1 tablespoon of oil. Cook the sausage for 6 to 8 minutes, turning occasionally until it's beautifully browned and heated through. This method ensures a delicious, crispy exterior. Grilling is another fantastic way to prepare Hillshire Farm sausage, adding a wonderful, smoky flavor. Preheat your grill to a medium heat, aiming for about 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the whole sausages directly on the grates. Grill them for 10 to 12 minutes, turning frequently to achieve even charring on all sides. Always check for an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit to ensure they are fully cooked and safe to enjoy. For a hands-off approach, baking Hillshire Farm sausage is incredibly convenient. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange your sausages in a single layer on a baking sheet, ensuring they have enough space. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes, remembering to flip them halfway through for even cooking. Just like grilling, confirm an internal temperature of 160 degrees Fahrenheit before serving to guarantee they are perfectly cooked. Now that your Hillshire Farm sausage is perfectly cooked, let's talk about serving it. For breakfast, it's excellent alongside scrambled eggs and a slice of toast. For lunch or dinner, try adding it to a pasta dish or a quick stir-fry. Of course, a classic is serving it in a bun with your favorite condiments like mustard, ketchup, or relish. It also pairs wonderfully with roasted vegetables or a crisp, fresh salad.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.